Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my Friday vlog because Friday actually my husband was at home and after lunch we were gonna go to mall. So I'm sharing here my lunch recipe and this is the paneer sticks. This is the great recipe for kids or even the party appetizer because it doesn't take much time to make it. Everybody likes it. So for that here I'm taking about 4 cups of paneer. And here as you can see I'm gonna do everything in the blender. So first of all I'm gonna go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and after that if you think that it's not binding properly, which I'm gonna show you later, so in case if that doesn't work, then of course you can go ahead and add more all-purpose flour into this. So first of all here I add about 3 tablespoons. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything first. So once it's all blended, this is how it's gonna look like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add salt to taste. Also we're gonna add red crushed pepper, Italian seasoning, and today actually I didn't have the cilantro, but if you have it you can go ahead and add about a cup of cilantro in there because that also tastes really good. I'm also gonna add the black pepper, but it's up to you if you want to add it. You can add it, if not, that's fine also. And all this seasoning, it's up to you how much you want it because we like spicy, so I'm adding more red crushed pepper. But if you're not into that much spicy, you can just add a little bit and that's fine. So once you add everything, we're gonna go ahead and mix everything very well. And at this point, if you feel like that it's not forming, then you can just add a little bit of milk in there. But if you add the milk, you have to be very careful. You just want to add like about a tablespoon at a time and not add too much at once. So for me, I just add about 1 tablespoon of milk and that's about it. And at this point, you can shape them however you like it. And then we just gonna go ahead and deep fry them. So you want to let them deep fry on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, that's it. They are all done. So as you can see, it didn't take much time to make it, and you can serve them with any kind of chutney, ketchup, or even the pizza sauce. Tastes really good with this. And after that, that's it. We head to the mall, and here I'm just trying to see if my dress looks okay. But the reason we came to mall is because now kids will be going back to school within a few weeks, so we need to do some shopping for them, and we didn't end up buying anything for them. They just didn't like it, so probably we'll go to the other store next week. But here we are at Macy's right now, and I actually end up buying one thing for me, but kids didn't like anything. So basically I was just browsing around different makeup counter to see what is new out there, and I bought one kit from Origins because that is one of the brands that I have never tried anything before, and I heard really good reviews from their product. So I bought one kit, and that's the only one thing I bought it. Of course I have enough makeup which I don't need it. But when you are out there, you know, you always want to see what is new out there, and definitely I want to buy new perfume. So there was a few of them that I want to smell them before I buy it, and this one was one of them. This is from Dior and it smells so good. So here in state, before the school start, we get one weekend, and that is called tax-free weekend. That means any clothes, any shoes, or any school supply that you buy and that is less than $100, then you don't pay any tax on it. So we're gonna have that weekend coming soon. So at this point we did not buy anything, but we've been inside the house from quite a few days now because it was raining a lot. So we decided to come here, so in case if it's rain, it's okay, we are inside. So we just gonna hang out here, and actually before we leave it started raining, so we end up having a dinner at the mall also. So we went to the Mexican restaurant, and that is the On the Border, because there is a other couple of restaurant here, but of course they all have a meat, and this one restaurant is that at least we can find something vegetarian. So that's the reason we went to On the Border. So after eating that perfect yummy Mexican food, we decided to go for the ice cream, and this particular ice cream shop, it's a local. It's far from where we live, but it's worth driving there, and luckily today because it rained there were not that many people were there. So their ice cream is just awesome because they make their own ice cream there, and the farm is right behind the shop. So I decided to go with the dark chocolate, and both of my sons had a cotton candy one. So that was the perfect way to end this day, and thank you so much guys for joining me, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.